Hello everyone, you are watching Learn with Kaustav. This channel is all about learning law one day at a time. Uh, this is a new segment added to my channel, and I will be sharing all the legal affairs straight to the point. Uh, Basically, what I learned today in legal topics. This will be all about this segment. So stay tuned in the video. Let's start what I learned today. So today I was going through the civil procedure code. So I start I start from a very basic point, that is what is a suit. So basically what I have wrote in my definition where I take my notes is that a suit is a civil process initiated by filing of a plaint seeking to enforce civil or substantive rights against the state or a person. A suit result in a decree. There can be no decree without a suit. So what is a suit? So basically uh, it is a civil process which is initiated after filing a plaint. So what is a plaint? That is, if if I think that my civil rights are infringed by the state or a person, I I file a plaint. I file a complaint, that is the plaint, to the court to initiate a civil process. The civil process is basically the suit. The suit is the civil process that is initiated on the basis of my plaint, where I complain about my infringement of civil rights by any individual or the states. Now we come to what are the essential of suit. See, what are the essential of suit? Where when we come, the essential of suits are two opposing parties. There had to be two opposing parties. See, if I am the plaintiff, there have to be a defendant or a opposing party against whom I have made a complaint. So here is what I write as a definition or of parties to the suit. That is, there must be at least two parties. There must be at least two parties. The opposing parties, the plaintiff who files the suit, the plaintiff who files the suit for claiming relief, and the defendant against whom the plaintiff files for the claim. There is no restriction on the number on either side. What does that mean? See, if I am a plaintiff, there can be joining me n number of plaintiffs, and if there are defendants, I can complain against n number of defendants. See, now Order 1 of Rule 1, what it says? Order 1, Rule 1 of the CPC outlines the joinder of plaintiffs to the suit. All persons may join as plaintiff if any claim to relief in a single suit arise from the same act or transaction or a series of act or transaction alleged to exist jointly, severally, or in alternative, or where any common question of law or fact arise. So order 1 rule 1 basically outlines the joinder of the plaintiffs. See, if I say I complain against the state infringes my civil rights. If the state infringes the civil right by an act which by which, like me, any other parties, any other people, let's say people, any other person, n number of person are facing the problem by a same act which the state is performing, there can be n number of plaintiff complaining about that act of the state. If, let's say, if a person or a multiple person or a multiple person acting something wrong that infringes n number of people's civil rights, the n number of people may be a plenty. Again, order 1 or rule 3 of CPC outline the joinder of defendants. If I say, if n number of people infringes my civil right, infringes my civil right, I can file a complaint. I can I can file a plaint against all the persons, against n number of person, or against all the person who by whom my civil rights are being infringed. So this is order 1 rule 1 and order 1 rule 3. There are also concept of misjoinders and non-joinders. So who is a misjoinder? A misjoinder occurs, or what is misjoinder? A misjoinder occurs when a party to the lawsuit is unintentionally added. It is deemed a misjoinder when a party is added but nothing to do with the dispute. So a misjoinder, if if I I may not be a part, I may not infringe someone's civil rights. I by somehow I am the party to the case. I am the party to the case. So here I am a misjoinder. Again, what is not non-joinder? When a party to the suit is not added to the suit, then it is a non-joinder. So if I am a party to a suit, so if I have infringed someone's civil rights along with n number of parties, along with n number of parties, not if I am not joined as a defendant over there, I am a non-joinder. So this is a non-joinder. This is means the what to say. This is a basic idea. What is a non-joinder and what is a misjoinder? So now we come to a cause of action. A cause of action is a set of reasons. So what is the cause of action? So cause of action is what on on what basis the plaint is filed. The plaintiff files a plaint on basis of something. So the cause of action is the base of the case. So order 2 rule 2 of the CPC states that a cause of action is essential and a plaint must mention a cause of action if it is to be instituted as a suit. Here is a famous case law, Rajasthan High Court Advocates Association by versus Union of India. You can search it and go through it. So this is what today I learned and I I enjoyed sharing to you. So I have taken a notes of that. If you also want to take notes, rewind my video, watch this, and if you like the video, I know my English is not so much proper. I try to develop it every day. So hopefully you will leave that part, and if you are what to say, if you are really liking my video, to so press the like button and subscribe my channel for today. Thank you. I will be back with a new video every day. If not every day, one day gap, one day after one day, I will make it a complete legally based channel, and it will be really helpful to you. So